Okay. As I told you that I will give you some extra questions from the chapter 1 human body, the circulatory system. I will give you 10 extra questions from this chapter which are not in the exercise. I will give it from my I will give it from my own. I will also tell you the answers. From where you will write the answers, I will also tell you. So you everybody take a copy and write the questions that I am saying, and in the book you will mark those answers. You take out a rough copy and write down all the questions that I give you, and you will mark the answers in the book. You will open your book also, and you will mark the answers in the book by a pencil. First question is, what is circulatory system? Everybody open to page 1. The answer is given in page 1 that the system that helps in the transportation of substances to and from various parts of the body is called the circulatory system. Okay, I am repeating in page 1, the system that helps in the transportation of substances to and from various parts of the body is called the circulatory system. Up to this answer, this is a simple answer. You have to write this answer. Next, number 2 is, what is a heart? Question mark. Where it is located? What is the heart? Question mark. Where it is located. There is two parts in the number 2. So the first answer is what is first. The first part is, what is a heart? Look at the page 1 at the bottom of the page. In the heart first paragraph, it is given that the heart is a muscular organ that acts like a pump to force blood throughout the body. This first line, first para, heart first, page 1, heart first para, first line, you will write as the first part of the answer, first part of this question. The heart is a muscular organ that acts like a pump to force blood throughout the body. Next, second part is where it is located. You will write the second part, that is, it is located in the chest cavity between the two lungs and is slightly tilted towards the left. So okay, first part, what is a heart? The heart is a muscular organ that acts like a pump to force blood throughout the body. Second part, where it is located in the chest cavity between the two lungs and is slightly tilted towards the left. Okay. Next, number 3 has also two parts. The first part is, what is a blood clot? Question mark. How do platelets help? Question mark. What is a blood clot? Question mark. How do platelets help? Question mark. So the first part of the question is, what is a blood clot? Open page 3. Open page 3. Okay, open page 3. Did you know? In the functions of blood, at the right side, it is given in a green color cloud. Did you know it is given? You will write the whole para that a blood clot is a thickened mass of blood formed by platelets. Clots formed to stop bleeding in case of an injury. It is the first part of the question, and the second part is, how do platelets help? Look at the left side, that it is functions. In the functions, the third point, it is given that platelets help in clotting of blood. So the how do platelets help? Platelets help in clotting of blood. Okay, I am repeating once. What is a blood clot? Blood clot is a thickened mass of blood formed by platelets. Clots formed to stop bleeding in case of an injury. Second part is, how do platelets help? Platelets help in clotting of blood. Platelets help in clotting of blood. It is clearly given in the book. The answer is clearly given in the book. You don't have to make the answers in your own. It is clearly in the book. Number 4 is name the three types of blood vessels. Name the three types of blood vessels. Look at the page 3, in the sorry in the bottom. It is given that structure and functions of blood vessels written in the blue color. You will write this para, that first para of this line, first line of this para, that is, there are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. This is the answer of the question. Name the three types of blood vessels. Next question is, what are arteries and veins? What are arteries and veins? The answer you will get at open page 5, terms to know. In a purple box it is given terms to know, page 5. Number 8, the look at number 8. Arteries, the blood vessels that carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to different body parts, and you will write that are called arteries. And look number 9, veins, the blood vessels that carry oxygen deficit blood from different parts of the body to the heart are called veins. Okay, it is also simple answer. What are arteries and veins? In page 5, terms to know, number 8 and 9. From this you can get the answers. Now number 6, question number 6. What are auricles and ventricles? What are auricles and ventricles? Open to page 2. The structure of heart. Structure. Open page 2. At the top of it is given structure. Sorry. What are auricles and ventricles? You open page 5. Where you from write that what are arteries and veins. You open that page 5, terms to know. In 4-5 the answer is clearly given. Auricles, to upper chambers of the heart. You will write that two upper chambers of the heart are called auricles, and the number 5, two upper chambers of the heart are called ventricles. So what are auricles and ventricles? You will get from page 5, terms to know, number 4 and 5. Next, question number 7. How does valve help in the veins? How does valve help in the veins? Okay, you will get this line from this answer from page 4, veins. Look, page 4, veins. At page at the last of the para, the last line of the para, it is given that valves are present in the veins to stop the backward flow of blood as it moves towards the heart. You from this line you will get the answer that how does valve help in the veins. Valves are present in the veins to stop the backward flow of blood as it moves towards the heart. Next, number 8. It is a difference that write two differences between arteries and veins. It is a difference between arteries and veins. So first you will open page 5 and open page 5, terms to know, number 8 and 9. There are you have to it is given that write two differences, so you have to write 2 points. The first point of the artery, number 8, arteries first point, number 9, veins first point. Arteries first point will be the blood vessels that carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to different body parts are called arteries, and veins, the blood first point will be the blood vessels that carry oxygen deficit blood from different parts of the body to the heart are called veins. And the second part of the arteries and veins you will get from page 3. Open page 3. In the last line, in the first para of arteries, last line, it is given that they have thick elastic walls. So the second point will be they have thick elastic walls. And next, open page 4, veins. you look that in the 1 2 3 4 in the fourth line it is given, open page 4 veins, it in the fourth line it is given that they have thinner walls than arteries. So arteries, second point is arteries, they have thick elastic walls, and veins, second point is they have thinner walls than arteries. Okay, it is clear. Next, number 9 is write the function of what. It is a very important question, that write the function of what. You will get this answer from page 2, functions. Page 2, functions, first para. You will from first para you will copy the whole the first para, the whole first para of the functions. Page 2 is the answer, that the main function of the heart is the circulation of blood. It pumps pure blood rich in oxygen to all parts of the body and receives impure blood containing carbon dioxide from the body. It also pumps the impure blood to the lungs for purification. This whole para you will copy. So number 10, the state the function of RBCS and WBCS. State the function of RBCS and WBCS. You will get the answers in page 3. Functions, that first point and second point. You will write the red blood cells or the red blood cells, and in the bracket you will write RBCS. The red blood cells, you will give a bracket and write RBCS. Then you will close the bracket and write carry oxygen from the lungs to different parts of the body, full stop. They also help to remove carbon dioxide from the body. And WBCS, you will write the second point, that the white blood cells help to fight white blood cells. You will give a bracket WBC and write WBCS, and then you will close the bracket and write help to fight infection, full stop. They destroy germs which may have entered the body. So today I have completed the whole chapter. I have completed the explanation of chapter and the exercises, and I have also give you the 10 extra questions from this chapter to. So now our chapter is completed. In when we'll meet next day, we will start the next chapter, that is food and health. Okay, for today, up to this, bye bye children.